Hi, my loves. Good evening. So, is it evening? Good afternoon. I don't know. The sun is entering inside my eye. But then today is what's this? Today is 6th, and that's like on. Today is what's the day? The day of the month. Like Monday. Okay, yeah. Today is Monday. A beginning of a new week, and I just resumed my work. So yeah. Back to my streets. But today has been stressful. If I'm eating food this afternoon, it's not easy. Nigeria has become something else. I even had to remove my ponytail. If you see me in the morning, I was looking like Bobrisky. Very fine. But now, I look like what I don't know. See, I finished sweating. But anyways, I should be inside this outfit that I don't even know what's happening. But anyways, yeah, goodbye guys. I'll see you guys when next I see you guys. Bye. Hi my loves, good morning. I look so tacky this morning. I just woke up like few minutes ago. Please, the chickens woke up too. They are awake, so but yeah, today is 15th February. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I got nothing. Cheers to the single nation. We're surviving this, okay? We are surviving this. So yeah, today is 15th. My friend's birthday was yesterday, but she's celebrating today, so we are going out just for like a chill out, eat, see some of my schoolmates that I haven't seen in like 6 years. Yeah, I actually have few errands to run today. I have to go get my package. My package just arrived, my skincare package, so I have to get that. I have to get my friend's item from, I ordered it from AliExpress. I have to get from the what they call them, what they call these people, what they call them, Jesus Christ, delivery something, delivery people. But speed that, yeah, I don't know, I'm not even seeing myself, I don't know. Bear with me, okay, bear with me. But yeah, and I also have to cook before going out. So there's a lot to do. I have to clean the house, cook, take my clothes for mending, head over to get my package, get my friend's package, and go for the birthday. Hopefully there's still time to go for the birthday. Yeah, so that's basically it. I just came here to show you guys myself because I haven't vlogged in like a week. So hopefully today I vlog. Fingers crossed. Yeah. So I'm running late as usual, but this is my fit. I don't know if you can see. This is not what I was going to wear, but outfit changed at the end due to some unforeseen circumstances. But yeah, I'm running late, so I have to go now. I should be called Little Miss. Wait, Jesus Christ, why do I feel things in my eye? I'm putting on this shade because there's no makeup on my face. My makeup box is not even here, so I think we just have to go. Okay? Yeah. think this is much better. I don't think you guys are seeing me, but anyways, hi guys, good evening. It's evening. So today is Thursday, and I was editing this vlog. I noticed that I didn't have an outro. Like, I haven't actually spoken much in this vlog, so I just came to say hi and bye. So yeah, I just got back from a client's makeup. Excuse me. I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. I want to end the vlog here. I had a lot to say, like I was saying a lot on the road, but now coming here, I just noticed that I don't want this vlog to be very long. And once I start talking, I just keep on talking and talking and talking and talking until my storage possibly tells me it's full. So the main thing we're going to do today, or rather right now, is peace. Saturday is election day. Hope you guys are voting for Peter Obi, because I'm not telling anybody to vote wisely, because it seems like some people's wisely is whatever. But yeah, today is Thursday. We have Friday, Saturday. I wanted to go make my hair, fix my nails for my content, but I think I'll do that next week. I think it will be more settled because a lot of people are closing up for the whole election process. And this video is already getting long. But yeah, I think we're going to be cool by next week. So I'm ending this vlog here. Next vlog is possibly going to start from a self-care because I deserve it. I've been working so hard this February. I've burnt out my whole entire self. Like, I'm totally burnt out. I've been so consistent on Instagram, and I think I've been consistent on YouTube too. It's not much, but I have been consistent on YouTube. So yeah, and thank you so much for 300 subscribers. Thank you. Love you all. Kisses. So yeah, I'm just going to take a shower now. I got shawarma and ice cream because I'm a baby girl. Duh. So yeah, I'm just going to take a shower, sit and enjoy my little fattening snack. Oh. Tell me if you guys want a skincare routine, but I think it's going to be in the next vlog, obviously, because it's a self-care, self-maintenance, whatever. So yeah, this video is already long. Okay. I think that's the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. What else? I think that's all. Period. Okay, babies? Period. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.